Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Habib Brilian Prasetyo from class 8 with student number 2021 0410 373. Here I will talking about the college experience of Chong and Lisa and also my personal experience. In my opinion, Chong had many experience in his college life. Each year is different and unique. In his first year, he learned how to solve a problem. He is feeling tired of living an introversion life and want to get out of it. He wants to be better and knows that he is capable of being better when on campus. So he started talking to different people and doing prank with his roommate. We learned to live in a new environment. He must learn how to cope with other humans with different lifestyle. He learned a lot about getting out of his comfort zone. He does things we might be afraid of. In the end, he realized that things would never be as bad as he thought. He gained social skills and was much more socially confident that people they talked to never stayed. He only talked to them to fill the void left by having no one to talk. In the sophomore year, he felt so much different. It was his year of tragedy and failure. He really despaired about his life and always complained about anything that happens is in his life and he blamed it to himself. A lot of bad things happened to Trunks and that what makes him strong and get more wisdom because life is unpredictable. It may not be your fault, but it will always be your responsibility. On the junior year, he had a hard time to make meaningful connection. But anything meaningful comes at a cost. He tries many things, but he always fails. But it really helps him to humble a bit and always keep on progressing. He learned to do his best, always try to progress every day, but also expect the worst because there were always so many factors that are out of our control. Caring less about the idea of failure is important because giving your best is what matters the most. Meanwhile, Lisa, she was shocked because in high school they thought that college only worked to make it easier to get a degree and a job. It turned out to be very different from what was previously thought. But the most important this is to have useful skills. According to her, college not only make it one step closer to qualifying for a dream career, but college also allows for fun while working hard. Now, college be fun because it can be our platform to meet new people who share similar interests and have professors who care about us. Then we can also explore many new fields of knowledge and we can even take a series of classes that we interested in, of course by working hard to achieve a degree, and in the end that is what will help us ensure a job after we graduate. Of course, our parents always say that they want their children to do better than they did. Therefore, college is not only seen as a fun place but as a place that teaches every individual responsibility and independence. Most of the time, we all can't wait to go to college because we end up away from our parents telling us what to do and when to do it. In the end, college for her wasn't just a place where she had to work hard and study all the time to earn degree. No, after spending an entire year as a student, she understands that when going to college comes with a lot of responsibility and independence. For her, college is important to get a high education to help us succeed later in life and during her 4 year college life. Therefore, my college education means the world to her, and it will be something that can be put to a price because it will be very valuable and invaluable to her. Of the two speakers, they have similar, both experiencing culture shock and feeling very different as previously took, but Lisa feels more confident and Trang not feel confident, but they have different ways of dealing with the problem. Talking about my colleagues' experience, I also experienced culture shocks because college is very different from high school. In college, I was able to meet people who had various different, both different lifestyle, culture, and language. Not only that, meeting new people make us out of our comfort zones and living on percept and ourselves makes us more independent, but in this time of pandemic it can be hard to receive the same education as it should when times were quiet and normal. Thank you and see you next time.